Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HKBMW, and tonight is gelato and cars. Got the car all cleaned up, ready to go. It was filthy from last weekend, and I think the Calgary weather, Mother Nature, hates us car people. I spent all that time washing the car, and it's gonna pour. I can tell. I can feel it in the air. So let's get the road, hit the road. If it rains, it rains. But go hit up hq.bmw.official. Get yourself a hat, some air fresheners, some stickers. Send a DM. We'll get it shipped out to you. Everybody needs an HQ BMW hat. Let's hit the road. Alright guys, we're here at Amato Gelato in Calgary. So we're all going to meet here in the parking lot and just have a gelato and cars. Should be a really good time. The gelato here is super delicious. If you've never had it, if you're from Calgary and you've never had Amato Gelato, I highly recommend coming to try it out. They probably have 50 plus flavors of everything you can imagine, and it's super good, really reasonably priced, and super friendly. I reached out to them and asked if we could actually have a gelato and cars here, and they were super wicked. They're like, yeah, absolutely, you know, come on down, show off your cars. You promote us, we'll promote you. It was a really good situation, and they're super friendly. They got back to me as well, which I really appreciated. I've reached out to a few other ice cream places in the city and never got a response, and it's kind of disappointing. So, but they responded. Super awesome. Thanks to Amato Gelato for letting us have a little meetup here. We'll see how many people show up. The weather really sucks. It's 20 degrees Celsius, so it's not super cold, but I think it's gonna rain, and that's just gonna suck. So keep watching, show you guys all the cars that show up. There are supposed to be some new cars coming that we've never had before, so that's kind of exciting, and I'll make sure to bring you guys along. I'm just sitting in the car right now because I'm actually reflashing the MHD. I hadn't updated it for a while, so while I'm talking to you, I figured I would flash the car. Almost done. So before we head in and get some ice cream, make sure you go to hq.bmw.official, pick up some merch, some air fresheners, ball caps. Everybody needs a ball cap. Car guys, they love ball caps. I probably got 50 hats that I don't always wear, but I just got them on display. So go get yours today. can't find a flavor here you like, you don't like ice cream. Gelato, I mean. What a pretty awesome turnout. Steve, Hassan, myself, Nick's car, Carly's bagged Tiguan. This thing is so sick. I wish I would have recorded it coming in the parking lot, because she three-wheeled and like a foot and a half off the ground. It was so sick. And we got Kane's F30. Marty was saying it's like my throwback Thursday. That's, you guys have heard it. You guys have heard me say it before, but that's like my car without all the obnoxiousness. And then we got Jass's E30, Marty's E90, which he finally got back. He just had all the injectors replaced. I believe there's also some other guys parked around the corner. Let's go check out the cars. We got Danny bagged, looks like a Corrado. I think it's a Corrado. And then we got Jay's Jetta. What do you guys think of Danny's TT? It's for sale. If you're interested in this car and are in Canada, the Alberta area, and you're looking for a TT that is clean, well taken care of, and just looks phenomenal, I will link Danny's Instagram below. Reach out to him and you can come and see this car. And he also has it listed on Kijiji. So if you're interested in the car, hit him up. It is for sale. gonna rain. It rained. Mother Nature officially hates us car guys. Super just arrived. Carly and Still Plays with Cars. They all came out. Thanks for coming out, guys. We appreciate that. They do a Cars and Coffee every Sunday at the Deerfoot City. So if you're in the local area, you want to check out some other cars, I've brought you guys there before, but go check it out. But it's raining. Everybody's hovering either inside or under the eaves. There they go. Well guys, that concludes today's gelato and cars. What do you think? It's raining again. Just as I start to finish the vlog, it starts raining. This city and this weather is ridiculous. Summer has been brutal. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It's a great turnout, even apart from the weather, and I'm sure we're gonna do it again. Big shout out to Amato Gelato for letting us come park here, giving us a discount on the gelato. That was super nice of you guys, and we'll be back. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.